English alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for giraffe. H. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kite. L. L for lamp. M. M for monkey. N. N for needle. O. O for owl. P. P for pumpkin. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tree. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yarn. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. For more such interesting videos, do subscribe to our channel Tales for Tots. See you next time. Bye bye.